Omni Healthcare is giving women free checkups this entire week, and here with me to break down this morning everything that we need to know is Business Development Director Teresa Sia. Teresa, I can tell you're the early bird here in the office.
Oh yes, so it's National Women's Health Week, and we always do something for the community, and right now we're trying to give free women's health exams. We're not doing any type of pap smears, but we are giving women we're going to teach women how to do self-breast examinations for themselves and how to do certain pelvic exams. So we have quite a few women on our staff that will be able to help certain women, and then also we want to make stress that we're trying to do this for minority women because minority women lack the education to do self-breast examination or go into the hospital. So right now, if people who have no insurance or anything, they could come and see one of our doctors or our medical students to provide some services for them.
And what else has this health clinic here in Humboldt Park done for the community besides this?
So we're very well known of giving out 1,000 turkeys every year for Thanksgiving. We have a 300 backpack program that we give out to kids for free in August. We do so much for the community. We became a warming center for for the local people in the area if they're homeless. When the Hurricane Maria happened, we were able to provide a warming, not just a warming center, but free clothes, free food, and just also anything that they needed for the evacuees from Puerto Rico.
Well, a lot of community service there, and for those that are watching that definitely want to come here and take a visit and get this free physical exam, what time, what time should they be here?
We're here from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 p.m. So if you have anything, if you're not doing anything, just come over here.
And anything that they need to bring?
No, just their ID. That's it. We don't ask for anything. We're not even asking for insurance. This is all free. We just want to be able to help our community and help other minorities as well too.
And last question here before I let you go, and before we actually take a tour of an exam room so you guys can see where these ladies are going to be having their exams. How does that make you feel?
This makes me feel wonderful because as a woman and as a minority woman, I feel that we all should be able to help one another, and not just only this National Women's Health Week, we all need to empower each other all the time.
You said it. What better way to take care of yourself by getting this free checkup here at Omni Healthcare? And Teresa was with us in the last hour. And Teresa, we're actually going to walk into an exam room, so you can go ahead and tell me what the process is here. But in the last hour, we left off, and you were talking about minority women not necessarily taking advantage of their doctor. So talk a little bit about that.
Correct. A lot of minority women fail to pretty much get the annual checkups every year, in which we see that in the displacement in our office. So we are trying to make people aware and educate them that you should not be afraid of a doctor. Come and see a doctor. Sometimes if there is an issue or a problem, we could prevent that before happening. I know the situation with my mother. She's being an African-American woman coming from Ghana, and the mentality is right, that let's not see a doctor. And she had cancer, and we found out it was stage 4 cancer in her liver. So by the time she found out, she passed away in less than 2 months. So I'm trying to educate women that, coming to the doctor, let's not be afraid of it. Sometimes you can prevent the stuff, prevent anything from happening, and we could actually save somebody's life.
It's not always bad news that you get from the doctor. So when women come and get this exam, what's kind of the first thing that...
We're going to check your vitals and check your heart, check your lungs to see how your breathing is doing. Just like
a normal physical?
Correct, a normal physical. And then majority of the times, we want to make sure that you don't have any type of heart murmurs or anything, which you have a great heartbeat, by the way. And make sure that you have your breathing properly right now.
Right.
Also, a lot of people don't have asthma, and there's a lot of people, Hispanic women, they have asthma in their family. So I know a lot of upper respiratory issues. So make sure that people are taking, the high pollen right now. Make sure that they're having their inhalers, or if they don't have any.
Big struggle.
Yeah, if they don't have any type of prescription, or they need a prescription, we could come in here and write that too for you, especially if you do not have insurance. I know a lot of people said the Obamacare and everything, but insurance is expensive.
Right.
And we could give you the prescription and probably go next door to the pharmacy next door, and they could probably help you out in getting you a discount. Or maybe they could give it to you for free sometimes. Absolutely. A lot of people are charitable.
Well, there you go, guys. If you're a woman and you want to come and get a free checkup, you can come here at Omni Healthcare in Humboldt Park from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So literally all day today and tomorrow. Go ahead and take advantage of this.